To integrate Google Drive with Classic Editor, you need to have Classic Editor plugin installed and activated. Head over to Google Drive, Settings, Integrations, enable Classic Editor, click Save Changes. Now you will discover a Google Drive button. While editing a page or post, click on the Google Drive button. A new pop-up window will open, where you can create any module from Module Builder. Insert previously created modules using module shortcodes, embed any documents using the embed document, insert Google Drive file or folder download and view links, using download links and view links. For example, we are using module shortcode to display modules that we have created previously using Shortcode Builder. Click Module Shortcodes, choose the previously created module you want to display, click Done. Now update or publish. Here is how the module will finally look like. If you want to embed a document, click Embed Documents, select the documents you want to embed. Here is how the Embed Documents module output will look like.